Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I'll show you how to set night mode or day mode in Sketchware app. So at first I'm creating an app, night versus day. So here is a view here, and now I'm setting a linear edge here and giving a button here. Now I want to set some text here, and the text I'm giving in the text view idea. Okay, I am setting the height wrap content but giving another linear edge here and setting a text here, text view. I am setting text views, actually setting and setting the text view sizes 40 sp 40 sp. So these are the text views. So now what we have to do is to this will be the day mode, the actual, and we have to go to in the button 1 on click. Now what we have to do, view set background color, the linear to set background color black, and then text view set text color, the text view 1 set color white, the text view 2, 3 and 4, text view 1, 2, 3 and the 4, and set the colors white, 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 and then toast. Now what we have to give here, the button 2 on click, that set background color, view linear to set background color white, and then set text color. To black. Okay, text be 1, 2, 3 and the fourth one, and then toast. Toast that it is the day mode. And the button on click toast night mode. In this video I want to show you another thing for which I needed another video, but I am showing you because it is so short. I am giving another button here, and button 3 on click, giving finish activity. This means this button can be used for quieting the app. I'm setting here quiet, setting here night mode, day mode, and here the night mode. Okay, now just run the app. Thank you for watching this video. Please, I'm inviting you to see another videos of my channel of Sketchware details or others. So here now, if I set the night mode, here you see night mode. If I want to set the day mode, here you see day mode, and if I tap on the quiet button, here you see the app is exited. Thank you. Please watch our other videos.